breaking news coming in. Sources confirming that Mehul Choksi was indeed with a girl when he landed at Dominica. Sources close to Mehul Choksi have told India Today it is true. However, they allege that the girl was a part of a team that was involved in the abduction, torture and arrest of Mehul Choksi. This is new twist coming in right there. Munish Pandey with the story. Munish, just clarify here. Probably I'm getting this wrong. First, it was said that probably this girl is the girlfriend of Mehul Choksi, but some sources close to Choksi have told India Today that this girl perhaps is a part of a team that involved the abduction, torture and arrest of Choksi. So was she the girlfriend or was she somebody who aided the abduction of Choksi? What's going on here?
Yeah, well, Chaiti, this is a million-dollar question. And remember, it was the Antiguan Prime Minister who came up with this theory that Mehul Choksi went on a romantic trip with a girlfriend. Now, as far as sources are concerned, they are saying, and they are confirming to India Today, these sources are close to Mehul Choksi. They are confirming to India Today that Mehul Choksi was indeed with a girl, but this girl, which the people are talking about as a girlfriend, was the part of team which was involved in the abduction, torture, and later on arrest in Dominica. Now, we also have details about this girl, the name and the photographs, but as of now, there is no concrete confirmation. That is why we are not putting it out, because it might hamper the reputation of that girl. But as far as Mehul Choksi is concerned, there are other confirmation also that he went to Dominica, he stayed in a hotel, and later on he was arrested by the Dominican authorities. There are multiple theories that how he was arrested. Earlier, the theory was that he was spotted at a beach destroying some documents in the ocean, and later on, when the police objected, when the police asked him who is he and how he has come to Dominica, then he was not able to produce any document, and later he was placed under arrest. But as far as this girl theory is concerned, no official confirmation either from Dominica or India has come. But as far as Antiguan Prime Minister is concerned, he has given a statement that he went out with a girlfriend on a romantic trip to Dominica, but later he was arrested. And now sources close to Mehul Choksi, they are saying that Mehul Choksi was indeed with a girl, but this girl, which they are talking about as a girlfriend, was basically the part of team which was involved in abduction, torture, and later on, due to these reasons, he was arrested in Dominica. Chat.
All right, Manish, this is a very interesting development that is coming in right there. Too many twists and turns, nothing short of a feature film right there. We'll continue coming back to you on all the scoop that you're getting.